ใช่ไหมคะ
ได้ครับได้
This is our hotel Hi Finally อีแฟดเลยแบตเตอรี่โหลแบตเตอรี่ฉันโอ้ขออนุญาตนะคะขออนุญาตเรคคอร์ดวิดีโอไม่ได้โอ้เด้อ so beautiful come oh wow You see people like this. How? Maybe give some light it on top. Try. Try more. I think people believe too long. Oh wow. Oh, we can walk. We can walk more. Yeah, maybe. Ouch. Oh, sorry. Sorry for what? You want some photo? พอแล้วเหรอ Walk back. Oh.
300-meter walk to see.
They even have a restaurant.
Oh, do they? Oh, maybe we can have breakfast. Very nice here, isn't it?
Yes.
The sea is not very clear.
You
that's the
you
only thing I
you
would
you
say.
can stand and say something.
I might break it.
Oh, you sure?
I just put nothing.
Oh wow.
It looks like more of a lake than sea, doesn't it? Well, although it's a little bay, that's very nice though. Proper local.
It's fantastic.
Yeah. Really cool. Beautiful scenery.
What a gym we have found here.
Yeah. I know. And it's proper Thailand. Proper Thailand. It's not special cost. You don't see loads of foreigners. Look, I don't know. I assume these are fishing boats, right?
I think maybe from
I would be scared to be honest.
and your hand may be high, Mom.
Oh sure.
Yes.
Sure. Hold on.
It's
It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Love it. Yeah. Stay there. So there's no lifts here. There you go. Okay. Let's just.
I think I'm not.
You won't break it. I'm the one who might break it.
I think it's but I mean not.
No. See, Joe won't break it either. You see, look. Taking the children out to the park today.
The first time in Chiang Mai, now in South.
That's right, yeah. Which way is the walk? That way or that way?
That's what I think. No, it is the ocean.
Oh, well, yeah, they are too. Yeah, look. Shells. Tons of shells.
And we see the big one.
Yeah.
You have got a record.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have put it.
Oh, you studied this, did you?
It's studying about history in around Thailand, you know, but I can't remember.
Do not eat penny.
Yeah, because they get used to it, don't they? They become domesticated and expect, and then they become a pain. That's the problem in Gibraltar, on the rock. Those monkeys up there are actually pretty dangerous. They will literally come and take your bag from you because people have said, "Oh, sorry, what's that? Oh, is this the restaurant? Oh yeah, so it is." Well, they make omelette. And they can do omelette.
Shouldn't we go up
Huh?
first? When it's not.
Yeah, we go up
hot?
first.
Okay, and then we back.
Yeah.
มีพวกอาหารเช้าออมเล็ตอย่างนี้
I just want to see if they do like an omelette or. But let's go up and then come back down.
They have sandwich, you see?
Cool, we'll come back. Sounds good.
เดี๋ยวหนูกลับมาได้ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh look, there's one for each of us. Up here, I presume. Right, so here we go. What a beautiful place. And this is the advantage of traveling around Thailand, not knowing where the hell you're going, and just stopping where you see something, because we had no idea this existed. We've stumbled upon it, and it's absolutely stunning. Sawadee krap.
Maybe you try walk like a jungle or you walk in jungle.
You knock yourself out, girl. Are they camping over there? Yeah. There.
Maybe they only 100 baht or night, maybe 50 baht.
What a lovely place to camp, eh? Stunning. Well, let's get to the viewpoint, because that's the point of it. It's a viewpoint, so we'll probably get the best view there.
What meter height, right? 280 meters.
I don't think so. So
They say now this point 280 and then now 40 meter.
oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So this must be it up there. Okay, I gotcha. Oh, very nice. Okay. Of our viewpoint. Da-da-da. And up we go. Oh. How beautiful. Shell things.
A lot of shells here.
Amazing. How cool is this place? Stunning, eh? Oh, I can't keep my balance.
Yes.
Alright, so yeah, we're now going at Prachuap. It's not Khiri Khan, Prachuap.
Yes, the full name Prachuap
Khiri Khan, okay.
Yes,
Very
the
good.
full name.
Okay, cool. This place is absolutely beautiful. Unbelievable.
What do you think?
Muga Chumpon National Park.
What she said.
Welcome. Visit.
Do you want a photo of you?
Yes, okay.
Okay, here you go. Hi, it's me. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, here you go. Here we go into the visitor trail, mangrove nature trail. It's like Sesame Street.
September, wasn't it? Similar.
Walk first. No one.
Oh, okay. Just still listen then. It'll remain a mangrove until we get to the end, which will still be a mangrove. Wonderful. Thank you. So here we are in the museum area. They have 55 islands off where we are located. You can sort of see them kind of done with those sort of dash marks. So there's 55 islands coming off here. It's just pretty fascinating. This island here, one of the 55, has been visited by King number 5 3 times apparently. And there here is the Royal Forest Department. That's there engraved. It's very very
March and April come back again. Beautiful island.
อันนี้เนี่ยถ้าเดือนมีนาก็จะเป็นลักษณะนี้เลยครับไม่ต้อง
There's shells and coral all taken from the area.
Maybe back.
And this is called a dugong. They appear to be extinct around this area now. They haven't seen any for quite a number of years, but that's a dugong. And here they're just illustrating how the birds nest. If you look up here, you see this sort of egg cup type shape. Those are birds' nests. Don't know what type of bird nests in them, but that's what they are. So yeah, that's it. Let's go.
You okay? You're not scared?
Oh, you're worried about heights?
Stop! Stop! It's not bad.
Whee!
Now you want me to say to
Wobbly.
come.
So yeah, this is a suspension bridge. It's moving as we are.